Hey everyone, welcome to day one of our awesome Java learning journey. If you have ever felt confused by Java or thought it's too hard, don't worry, I have get back to you. In this video, we are starting from zero to hero, and trust me, you are going to enjoy learning. So grab a notebook, relax, and let's begin with your question. You might be never have thought about what is actual program. What is program? What is programming means? Alright, imagine your computer is like a super smart robot, but it doesn't understand your language. Not English, not Hindi, not even single language. The only way you can get it to something with computer, like open a browser, play music, or so any website, searching any government website, any websites, is by giving a very clear instructions. Those instructions are called program. And whenever you are the when writing those instructions, that is called programming. So basically, programming is just telling a computer what to do step by step in language it understands. It's a computer understandable code. We can give those instructions to the computer. That's the. I will simplify this question to answer. Just note it down, and then we are going to next question. What is programming language? Programming language means nothing but. Now, here is the one thing. You can you can't just talk to computer in your own words. We use something called programming, right? Language, which is used to set up rules and words that computers can understand. Think of it like this. If I want to talk someone in French, I will use French, right? We will talk to computer, we use programming language like C or Python or Java or Ruby or anything or any language. Computer understandable language, not any language means. Okay. Here how takes Java. It's our bridge between human thinking and computer action. That's the thing. I will notify some answer. We will note down this. And next one is what is Java? Java. Now let's begin with Java journey. It's Java. Okay. Now let's to talk about our start with of this course Java. Java. What is Java? Java means Java is nothing but Java is high level programming language. What is high level programming language? I will explain in some other sessions. Be careful. Listen. That just means it's closer to English than to mission code, which makes it easier to read and write. It was created by back 1995 by a company called Sun Microsystems, and now it's owned by Oracle. And Java is a very powerful, flexible, and super popular. It's used to build Android apps, banking software, web apps, games, and even tools are big companies. But one of the coolest things about Java is like this, write once, run anywhere. That means you write your code once and it can run on any device, Windows, Mac, Linux, without changing anything. And there is all things something called the JVM. Don't worry, I will I will explain all what is JVM, how it works JVM in further videos. Here note down what is programming. I will not say all things. Next we will discuss what are the features of Java. Java has some awesome features that make it one of the most loved languages out there. Platform independent. Remember, write once or run anywhere bit times ever. Once object oriented. It's a built around real world objects like car, student, etc., making code easier to organize. And one more feature is robust and secure. Less crashing, more safety. Great for big apps. I will explain all the things one by one in further videos. You will be easily understood. And multi-threaded. You can just listen now. Just you can clarity what is the features. I will explain all the things in further videos. Okay. Multi-threaded. You can do multiple things at the same time, like downloading a file, showing a loading bar. It's all things. It's a multi-threading, multiple tasks at a time. It's when you work, and we can try is a high performance. Thanks. It's just in-time compilation. Java isn't show people think. And automatically it's a memory management. It clean means up memory and its own, no need to manual delete things. uh, I will mention here some features you can note down. And next thing we are go for what are the uses of Java. It can Java we can use. So now I might be wondering Where does all Java get used? Let me tell you, I will show you. Android apps. Most Android apps are built in with Java. And another sector is banking and finance. Java is trusted for secure and large scale systems and big data. Hadoop and other data tools run on Java. Web apps, backend tools like Spring Framework run on Java. And one more thing is games and embedded systems also it will be used. Even some smart devices have Java running behind the scenes. If you know if you know already Java, if you are ready, these things all you can develop. Okay. I will some features uses I will try go through. Next one is history of Java. So I will give you a quick history of Java. So, where did Java come from? In 1991, a small team at Sun Microsystems started working on a project for smart devices, things like TVs or remotes. They wanted a simple, secure, and reliable languages for them. That project eventually became Java, and in 1995, it was released to the world. Developers loved it because it was simple, portable, and powerful. Years later, Oracle bought Sun Microsystems, okay? And they have been updating Java ever since. Today, Java powerful everything from Android apps and gained enterprise systems. That's I will mention here. Yeah, to note on this. And next, how does Java work? Yeah, I will explain all the things, programs line by line and debugging in every line. And don't worry, in further videos, I will debug everything. How does Java work? So now let's say you write a Java program. What's happening next? Yeah, first your code is saved with file names with the dot Java. Yeah, I will show you practically. Let's listen. Then that the file goes to compiler. Think of it as a translator. This compiler converts the code into something called bytecode. Now, what is bytecode? What is native code? What is dot Java file? What is dot class file? I will explain all the things. Just listen. Introduction. Okay, which kind of like a universal language for computers. That's bytecode is saved a file ending with a dot class file. But we are not done yet. We need to do something to actually run this bytecode. That's where the JVM Java Virtual Machine comes in. The JVM reads that data class file and runs your program and or whatever device you are using. Windows, Macs, Linux, it doesn't matter. As long as it's JVM, your program works. That's the magic of Java. It's a nothing but platform independence. Yeah, I will give some direction. You know down. Next one thing, what is compiler? Well, since we just mentioned it, let's talk quickly about the compilers. Since we just mentioned it, let's quickly about the words compilers. The compiler is a tool. It takes your source code to the stuff you wrote and converts into something to mission understandable code. In Java, just compiler name is Java C. Java C. I will explain Java C also. Okay. You give it a Java.file, it will give back to you its class file, full bytecode. The JVM steps, how to steps, I will explain all the things. So it goes like this: dot Java file compiled by Java C, it will be created dot class file, and JVM runs that dot class file. Simple, right? It will be executed successfully. Simple, right? Okay, I will give you answers. What is compiler? You can note down. Yeah, in next video we will discuss literals along with how to set up Eclipse setup and Java running environment we can set up, and we can run Java first program. Thank you guys. We can meet up with the next video.